Easy fruit salad recipe. Hello, creative students. Today, we will learn how to create a colorful and easy fruit salad. Fruit salad is a healthy and refreshing dish, perfect for a snack or dessert. Let's start preparing. Ingredients: 1 apple, 1 banana, 1 orange, 1 cup of grapes, 1 cup of strawberries, 1 tablespoon of honey, juice of 1 lemon, mint leaves for garnish, optional. Instructions: 1. Start by washing all the fruits thoroughly under cold water. 2. Peel the orange and banana and cut them into slices. 3. Core and slice the apple. 4. Cut the strawberries into halves. 5. In a large bowl, combine the apple slices, banana slices, orange slices, grapes, and strawberry halves. 6. In a small bowl, mix the honey and lemon juice. 7. Pour the honey mixture over the fruits and gently toss to coat. 8. Garnish the fruit salad with mint leaves if you like. 9. Enjoy your colorful and refreshing fruit salad.